Go ahead and enjoy your treat, baby. Have some chin chin. Marcella, have some chin chin. Go ahead, eat some chin chin. At your own time, in your own time. So we just made some festive treats. Some Nigerian recipes. We call them chin chin. I'm gonna go up close so you can see. So that's chin chin and that is puff puff. That's what we call them. They're pastries that are made. I normally make them with brown sugar because Marcella has quite a few allergies. And I need to be really careful when Stella's eating them to make sure it doesn't trigger any of those. So yeah, but he's built in quite a lot of intolerances over the years, which has been amazing. So really grateful to God for that. But yeah, he loves the pastries. I try to limit his pastries because I don't want him having too many. So when it gets like Christmas time, Easter, really lovely time, birthdays and stuff, we try to make a few, which he loves. So you can see him having a treat. He loves them. Look at him going in for that. He's gonna eat them, enjoy them. Yeah, he loves them very much. Go ahead, eat, baby. Yeah, he goes. He was like he was waiting for my permission to do it. Like, Mum, should I eat them? I know you're filming me. Should I go ahead and eat them? All right, eat, baby. Enjoy. Enjoy your chin chin, enjoy your pop off. So yeah, that is Marcella having a festive treat. I just wanted to share that with you. Oh my God, look at him go for it. He loves them. I tell you, he never gets enough of them. You love them, baby? Mm-hmm. You do. How do you show me that you love them? You clappy clap? Hmm? Yeah? It's my gorgeous boy. Yeah. So yeah, that's a little video for you just to share how much he loves his festive treats. We're actually making some meat pies, my daughter and I at the moment, and he's next to us. This is the staircase. This is his special spot. He likes the staircase and the landing, so he sits a lot on them and he just relaxes. I'm finding now we're struggling to get him to sit on the dining table sometimes, except somebody's with him because he likes to move food around. So he takes them to wherever is most comfortable for him, which we don't mind so long as he eats, because we had a time when he wasn't eating at all due to a lot of gastrointestinal problems. So we're really grateful and really thankful now that he loves his food, he can eat, and he's growing a ton. So yeah, I'll leave you with that. In the meantime, yeah, I just wanted to share how Marcella enjoys his festive snacks. Take care, everyone. Speak soon. So we just finished making our meat pie. And Marcella, you can have some. There you go. There is the meat pie. You can grab one. You can have some meat pie. Yay, there he goes. He loves it. Big bites. Ooh, look at that. It's one of his favorite. He loves it. Ooh, enjoying that? Look at that face. Okay. Take care, everyone. Doesn't even want to let go.